What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden. We are back with live COD videos again, and this week we got ton of hype releases. We started the week off with Nike SB Dunk Champ colorway. We also got the Yeezy Quantum basketball. It's finally having a general release since the initial release back in February during the All-Star weekend at Chicago, where Kanye was literally handing out free shoes to people who were following them. So I'm very excited about that, and I want one for myself if my wife will let me have one, obviously. And then we also got the Jordan 1 tie-dye release. This release already happened in Europe, and it's finally coming to the US. So I'm very excited about that as well. Now, unfortunately, I said that we were gonna have a good week in Supreme. That's not the case. The only thing we're probably going for is the Ziploc bags. The Supreme collaboration this week is I don't see a ton of resale value, so I'm not gonna go for that. But nonetheless, we still got a really good week, so stay tuned for the live cops. And then afterwards, we'll have some unboxing for you guys. We got a ton of stuff that came in this week. So if you do like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, all right? We have a ton of things in store for you guys. And we're almost there at 200 subscribers. And we need your support to help us get there. So thank you very much for your support. And let's get into it.
Manny.
Oh shoot, got one! Woo! I got one! We got one. So we got one. Size 15. That's not bad. Quantum came in. Alright. I like that.
A few moments later.
Got my good luck charm with me. Okay. She says okay. How many are you gonna get? 5? You gonna get 5? Oh, good girl. You're gonna get 5, huh? Okay. You gonna get 5. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh, wait. We passed one. What? What's going on? Wait, what? No. Oh, pass another one. What? Oh, there we go. Got one. Got one. Yeah. I got one. Let's see. Did we get another one? Did we get another one? Yes! I got 2! Did we get it? Let's go! Another one. Woo! That's 3 now. That's 3. Plus the 1. That's 4. Cookie is my good luck charm, man. I swear. If we're gonna get 5, that's purely on Cookie then. That's all cookies. Completing order. Did we get another one? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. Alright, so I went outside and played with my dog. Seems like after that we got another one. So total, that ends up with our total being 6. A lot more than I expected, to be honest, after how things have went for the past few days. But yeah, this is a pleasant surprise for me. I think COOKGROUP is actually one of the better bots right now. I mean, I know they had a history of ups and downs, but so far, this is my first time running it. It has been pretty impressive. It got me passed through the splash page on Yeezy Supply relatively quickly, but you know, it was out of stock already since most of the stocks got moved to Adidas, and in Adidas it passed the splash page relatively quickly. I think within the first hour of the release, and I was able to cop 3 manually. As soon as I passed, the webpage popped up and I was able to copy manually. And then there was one more that popped up, but I was outside at that time. And Splash Force didn't do well for me personally, but it seems like it was doing relatively well still. But Phantom, the bot I almost give up on, definitely surprised me today. I was able to cop 3, 1 on Yeezy Supply, and then 2 on Adidas. So that's very good. That's very surprising as well. But I know one of the up and coming bots, Polaris, has been doing really well on Yeezy Supply Adidas. So that's one bot you guys should be on the lookout for. I know the price has been going up for that since they added foot sites and everything. So, but yeah, you can see the summary of what we got here. And yeah, not a bad day. I think most of them will fetch decent profits. I got one in the size 17, but it's a basketball shoe. Hopefully people with large feet will want that. So yeah, we'll see. Can't wait to unbox them for you guys. Alright guys, so it seems that the sneaker release for the Jordan 1 tie-dye has been pushed back even further. So today, the main thing we're gonna go for are foot sites and finish line. I don't know how well I'm gonna do today, to be honest. I didn't wake up early today to be able to catch any of the Shopify releases early on, and I don't think I'm gonna go for it either during the 10 o'clock major releases with Kith and any other Shopify stores. I think the main thing I'm gonna focus on is just the foot sites and finish line, maybe Hibbit. But it seems that the stock is really low today compared to other Jordan 1 releases. So we're not sure. I don't know if it's just because, you know, there's been delay in shipments or the foot stores getting them, or if there's something else. So far, seems like it's going to be a relatively hard drop. I mean, what else is new, right? It seems like this whole week the drop's been really hard. So, but nevertheless, we're gonna push through it. Let's see if we can get as many as we can on this. So this one definitely has some decent resale values, especially the larger sizes. So let's do it. So I missed out on the Yeezy foam runners. Now, Ivan, the Splash Force developer or owner, he sent out a message on Splash Force Discord saying like by 12 a.m. there's the Yeezy supply drop. And so for me, I was like, okay, 12 a.m. I've been up since 6 a.m. this morning. I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm gonna have some dinner, go walk my dog, you know, do some workouts, and then come back, set up my tasks, and get ready to go for whatever the shock drop's gonna be. So by 6:45, I finish my dinner and everything, you know, finish cleaning up, and then come over and check my Discord. The shoe's already dropped and it's already sold out. And look at the resale value at this point. Holy, that is insane. It's a $75 pair of, I don't even know what you call it, a croc, a slider, or a flip-flop, whatever you want to call it. But I mean, it is what it is, right? So like I said at the beginning of starting this YouTube series, that I'm taking you guys on a journey with me in terms of sneaker botting, sneaker reselling, streetwear resellings. This is part of it. These shock drops, you know, like I'm not doing this full time. I'm just doing it for the hobby and for the fun of it, for the thrill of it, to be honest. And sometimes when these shock drops happen, it is a punch in the gut, especially for all the tough releases that's been happening for the past few days. I mean, like, it's the way it is at this point. Yeah, these shock drops is definitely a punch in the gut. And then given the fact, like, you know, the Yeezy supply dropped and then the Adidas drop yesterday took forever, and then the tie-dyes were not going well at all. And now this, it's part of it, you know. You guys gotta be able to handle these type of intensities. And yeah, just move on, you know, definitely just flip the page and move on. So tomorrow we have the Jordan 11 Retro Low Concord Bread. Now this pair of shoes already dropped in Europe, and the resale value is around like $40-50 above retail at this point. So, and after the US release tomorrow, I believe the resale price is gonna go down. But I like the colorway. It's got the nice combination between the classic Concord 11s and then the Bread 11s. I missed out on the 11s this past December during holidays. But I don't know if I'm gonna go for as many or any, to be honest. So my game plan is I definitely will go for that on my sneaker app because that's free return. Emphasites. I'm gonna set up my task tomorrow morning and wait until the release happens and see how the price holds up, and then we can go from there. All right, so got them. I think I got these just because I wanted to build up my Nike account a little more as well, and this is good. I mean, I'm not running any of my tasks yet, as you can see, simply because I don't know about the resale yet, but I set them up already, and we'll wait and see if I'm gonna start running them. The main thing is I have my pre-order listing up on eBay, and we'll see if any of them get filled. If they do, I'll start running them on that particular size. So other than that, the resale is not looking very promising at this moment, so we're gonna have to wait and see. That's it. I think that's it for the live cops. I'll keep you guys updated on the Jordan 11 lows should there be a kick in the resale value. But for now, I think that's it for this week. So now let's roll into unboxing. Alright guys, so after everything that's been going on with the COVID-19 and some of the protests that's been happening, tons of shipments has been delayed, as well as the delivery. So we finally got all the stuff that we've been getting for the past few weeks. They finally arrived this week, so we're gonna unbox them for you. This is a personal. This is a distorted LOBO skateboard that was restocked a couple weeks ago. We also got the cost along the way. This is the brown version of the figurine. This is my first time getting the cost, so I'm very excited about this. I didn't get the takes, those new ones, but this is a good piece and have decent resale value, so I'm gonna sell this as soon as I can. We got actually 8 Jordan 5s total. I already sold 2 of them, so this is all I have left. We got 6 more of them. Most of them are in bigger sizes, so if you guys do need one in size 11 or above, let me know. And the Jordan hairs, these were the ones that we risked our life for to go to the mall. And these are really nice. Now, I already sold a couple of them, so I got one more left, and this one is going out soon because it's already sold on eBay. Look at it, I think it's really nice looking color. And the box is really cool, really neat with the carrot, you know? Got some green fits, I already sold one of them on eBay. This, again, shout out to my cook group, RESELLAIO. They've been on point with all these in-stock alerts, so I was able to cop some of these. And finally, one of my friend is actually having a baby, and we're really excited, and I couldn't wait, so I got one of the Jordan 1 crib booties for the baby. It's a baby boy. It's due in August. We're very excited about that. So yeah, that's about it. All right, so that's it for this week's video. Let me know if you like the video or not. Give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you have any suggestions, comments, leave it in the comment section below, all right? And if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notifications, all right? So thank you guys so much for watching. In the meantime, keep it real, keep it cool. This is Erden. Peace out.